Today we're at 9240 Nash Lane here in desirable Winfield Farm in North Ridgeville, Ohio. This beautiful 2-year young Columbia model by Ryan Homes boasts 3 bedrooms plus a loft, 2.5 bathrooms, an open floor plan, granite countertops, and a deck leading to a fenced-in backyard. Let's take a look. Take a look at this beautiful kitchen with this huge island open right to the family room. Great for entertaining. Imagine spending time out on this awesome deck with friends and family and enjoying sunsets.